Good morning. I'm an English teacher. This is Cambridge Global English for grade 5. Get ready for lecture number first. Take out page number 52. Our today's topic is celebration. The meaning of celebration is the action of celebrating an important day or event. Celebration is actually a joyous and a gathering to make a special day. There are different types of celebrations all around the world. You can see in the pictures, Muslims all around the world celebrate Eid, and New Year is celebrated in different countries. New Year China is different. They start their New Year on different day, and the rest of the world celebrate New Year on different day. Look at exercise number first. Talk about it. What celebrations and holidays are important in your family, and which is your favorite celebration and why? Dear students, write name any celebration which is important in your family. You can write names of one or two which is your favorite, and you have to write the name of that celebration as well. When you are done with this, the next question is exercise number 2, word study celebrations. You can see some words in yellow box. I will read all for you, and you have to underline the words and write the meaning as well. The first word is costume. Underline the word and write the meaning. A set of clothes, one man, actor, or a performer for a particular role. The next word is a feast. Underline the word and write the meaning. A large meal. The next is parades. It means a march, and the word is symbols. Symbol means sign or mark. Decorations. Decoration means beautification. Lanterns. Lanterns means light. There are some pictures as well. Picture A, B, and C. Let's read the question. Word study celebrations. How many of these words can you see in photos below? Check the words you don't know in your dictionary. There are some pictures that are related to the words in yellow box. You just have to write the words in the circle. For example, you can see costumes in a picture B. Picture number A is about the Eid al-Fitr, which is celebrated all over the world. Muslims are celebrated in all over the world. And the picture C is about May Day, and the picture B is about the Chinese New Year. So these 3 days are celebrated in different countries. Let's read question number 4. Which celebration in the photos would you most like to go to and why? Well, picture A is about the Eid al-Fitr, which is celebrated by Muslims in all over the world, and the picture B is about a New Year. Picture B is Chinese New Year. It is different in rest of the world. It is usually starts from January to February. It is also known as lunar calendar. And the picture C is a May Day. May Day is a public holiday. It is usually celebrated on 1st May. It is an ancient festival of spring. It is also known as Labor Day. So, dear students, this is all about a celebration in your learner's book. Now open your activity book, page number 40. And activity book, page number 40, the topic is celebration, describing celebration. Question number first, vocabulary. Find and circle 9 celebration words in the word search. There are 9 words which are related to the different celebrations. So you have to find out that words from the word search. And question number 2, complete the sentences with with a word from activity 1. Complete it at your home. This is your homework. This is your home task. So this is all about for today. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.